Without enough B12, your nerves slowly begin to break down. Tingling, burning sensations, loss of balance, and
Imagine waking up one morning and noticing your feet feel numb, your hands tingle, or a strange burning sensation appears at night. You might try to ignore it, telling yourself it's just stress, age, or life catching up. But your body is trying to communicate. Today, it's time to listen. Nerve pain isn't inevitable, it's often a warning, and this warning points to a vital nutrient your nerves need to survive, protect themselves, and thrive. Your nerves aren't metal wires, they're living tissue. They carry messages from your brain to muscles, from your skin to your spine. Every step, every sensation, every moment of balance and strength depends on healthy nerves. Here's something most people don't realize. Without enough vitamin B12, your nerves begin to deteriorate. B12 isn't just another supplement, it's a protector, a builder, and a defender of your nervous system. It helps maintain the myelin sheath, the protective layer around your nerves. When that coating weakens, nerve signals slow or misfire. Pain appears where there should be comfort. Numbness replaces sensation. Weakness replaces confidence. The danger is that B12 deficiency works quietly. You could eat well every day and still be deficient at a cellular level. As we age, absorption decreases, stomach acid drops, and certain medications can drain B12 silently. Years can pass before symptoms develop into full-blown neuropathy, and by then, people are often told to manage it instead of fix it. But your body isn't broken, it's deprived. When B12 levels are restored, nerve communication improves, tingling decreases, burning sensations soften, balance can return, energy rises, and mental clarity sharpens. This isn't magic, it's biology getting what it needs to heal. Part 4. The empowering part? You have control. B12 is in nutrient-rich foods like eggs, fish, meat, and dairy. For those who struggle to absorb it, high-quality supplements can be life-changing. Consistency matters, awareness matters. Listening to your body matters. Nerve pain is not your destiny. Numbness is not normal. Your nerves are designed to last a lifetime. Give them the nutrients they need to stay strong, fueled, and protected. When your nerves are healthy, your movement is confident, your sleep is restful, and your life is active. That is not just health, it's freedom. Society has taught a dangerous lie. Tingling, numbness, burning, weakness, it's just aging. As if pain is unavoidable. That belief has stolen comfort, mobility, and hope from millions. Nerve pain is not normal aging, it's a signal that something essential is missing. When ignored, damage continues quietly, often for years. Nerves are highly active tissue. They require constant nourishment. Without it, they fade slowly, tingling, occasional numbness, burning, loss of balance, weakness, and fear. Yet people are told to accept it rather than ask, why is this happening? Many cases of neuropathy are caused by deficiency, not destiny. The body adapts to survive, masking deficiency for years. Eventually, the nerves are the first to suffer. If nerve pain were truly normal aging, everyone would experience it at the same age and severity. But that's not the case. Some remain pain-free into old age, while others struggle earlier. The difference is biology, medications, digestive changes, stress, and modern diets silently deplete nutrients. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerves. It maintains the myelin sheath, supports signal transmission, DNA repair, and red blood cell production that oxygenates nerves. Without it, nerves operate in survival mode, exposed and irritated. B12 deficiency creeps in silently. You can eat well and still be deficient if absorption is impaired by age, medications, or digestive issues. Early signs are subtle: tingling toes, hands falling asleep, walking on soft surfaces, mild imbalance, fatigue, or mental fog. These are warnings, not inconveniences. There is hope. When B12 is restored, nerves respond. Myelin can repair, signals improve. Pain decreases, balance returns, dexterity improves, and mental clarity sharpens. Healing is gradual. It takes patience, consistency, and commitment. But progress is possible even in long-standing cases. Pain relief allows movement. which improves circulation, strengthens muscles, and accelerates recovery. Masking symptoms with medication doesn't rebuild nerves, but restoring B12 nourishes and repairs them. Protecting nerves is about consistent action, nutrition, gentle movement, hydration, sleep, stress management, and awareness of early warning signs. Regular B12 checks, smart supplementation, and attention to lifestyle create long-term protection. Your nerves carry you through life. Care for them intentionally, and they return the favor with stability, comfort, and freedom of movement. That is not just health, it's empowerment.